it's Ala from Ala's Yummy Food. Welcome to my wonderful kitchen and my channel. Today I'm feeling very romantic and I'm gonna show you how to make one of the most delicious and requested recipes ever. It's strawberry kissel, which is like a very traditional Latvian, Russian, Eastern European kind of drink slash dessert. We have it all the time with cream. So today I wanted to make it more romantic and serve it in pretty glasses, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe on the little button there and click the bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started.
Right, we're gonna start with adding strawberries. I'm using frozen ones into a pan. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. You can add more or less sugar as you wish. Just mix everything together, and I'm going to cook this on a low heat until the strawberries start to melt. Because they're frozen, it will take slightly longer, so cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat that you have and how long you need to cook them, so they're super soft and squishy. Once they're ready, you can transform them, mix them all and transform them into your blender. And we're going to blitz everything together until they're super nice and smooth. And I absolutely love the smell of strawberries. It smells so good and summery. So even in winter you can have this delicious summery sort of strawberry dessert. It's so romantic and I love it. Next we're going to sieve our strawberry mixture. So put it into a little sieve and just keep whisking with your spoon until you have all the seeds taken out. And then you'll see the mixture is nice and smooth. To make it thick, we want to add some remaining water to our cornstarch, and just mix it really well to make sure there are no lumps. This is really important, so then when you add it inside your strawberry, you can just mix it in very slowly, and you want to add the cornstarch a little bit at a time. So if you divide this into 3 bits, then you should have no lumps, and cook this on a very low heat until the mixture becomes nice and smooth, just like that, and falls off the spoon. So that's when it's ready.
Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages.
So I suggest serving it straight away into the desired dish of your choice. So I'm using wine glasses. They work super well for romantic decoration, but you can use any cups or glasses that you have in your kitchen. But you have to do this straight away while the mixture is nice and hot, so it doesn't get stuck, because as soon as it cools down, it's gonna set. And if you haven't poured it into your decoration glasses, you'll miss out. So to top it up, I'm gonna make my delicious cream. So add your mascarpone and double cream with vanilla extract and icing sugar into a bowl, and just whisk everything together. I'm using a spoon, but you can use a whisk, whatever works for you and whatever is easiest. Then place your cream into a piping bag. I made a lot of cream, but that's because I'm using it for other desserts. You might need to use a lot less for this, or also depends how many desserts you're making. And you can also serve a bit of the cream on the side on a plate when you serve this dessert. And I'm using a star-shaped nozzle just to make it look really pretty. So then pipe the cream on top of each kissel, just like that. You don't have to add this at all. I do think it adds a lot more flavor, and I really like the cream and strawberries together, just in a different way. And then serve it up with some more crushed chocolate on top and some fresh strawberries as well. Just look at that. So I would place these into the fridge for about maybe 1 or 2 hours until they set completely, and they can keep in the fridge for a couple of days. And you can have kissel either hot or cold, it's up to you. I like it cold, of course. And it's just super delicious. And when you dig in, it should be nice and set and super smooth, and that really amazing strawberry flavor comes through together with the cream. I hope you tried this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give me thumbs up and comment. Let me know what other flavors of kissel you would like to see, and check out all my other videos.